Hello and welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman, and in this lesson we're going to learn how to play the G minor scale and arpeggio. Let's come to the piano to get started. Here I have the B flat major scale drawn with two flats, you'll recall, B flat and E flat. G minor is the relative of B flat. You can see it has the same two flats, B flat and E flat. We've just shifted down a third. To get to the relative minor, we always just go down two steps down in the scale. So G minor, which is a relative of B flat major, same two flats, B flat and E flat. This would be the natural minor scale. For harmonic minor, we take the seventh note, which is always just a step below our Do, and that note moves up a half step, we raise it, and that makes it harmonic minor. So now we also have an F sharp. Let's try to play it. The G minor scale and arpeggio uses the basic fingering, which means in the right hand we're going to have a group of 3 on G, A, B flat. Try and play this with me. So take your fingers 1, 2, 3, play that as a cluster. Then the next group is C, D, E flat, F. Remember, there's no B. B is not diatonic. So we're never going to play B or E. They both became flat. So don't even think about these notes. Okay? So let's start again. A group of 3 ending on B flat, and then a group of 4, C, D, E flat, F, then a group of 3 again, then a group of 4 again, and then play your finger 5 on top with that G, then a group of 4, a group of 3, a group of 4, a group of 3. Let's do it one more time. Play along with me. 1, 2, 3 on G, A, B flat. Group of 4, group of 3. Make sure you're using good piano posture. Group of 4, then play 5 on top. And a group of 4, group of 3, group of 4, group of 3. Good, now played one note at a time. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the natural minor scale. We come down, group of 4, group of 3, 4, 3. So what note does finger 4 play in this scale? If you said F, you're correct. F natural. So make sure that 4 always plays F and only F. No other finger is allowed to play F. So when you get to that F, make sure you've got a 4 there. Practice this scale on your own. Press pause to do that. And whenever you play a 3 or a 4, say it out loud. 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 3. Press pause to practice that 2-octave scale several times, then press play to go on. Now let's try harmonic minor. We're going to go 3, 4. So notice 2 black keys in a row. That should feel a lot like that D minor scale felt, where we had that B flat to C sharp, but now in G minor, we have that E flat to F, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 3. Press pause to work on the G harmonic minor scale 2 octaves, then press play to go on. Well, let's try our left hand now. The left hand also uses the basic fingering, so we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 4. What note does finger 4 play? If you said A, you're correct. Make sure that finger 4 always plays A and only A. Press pause to work on the left hand 2-octave G natural minor scale, then press play to go on. You guessed it, now we're going to do harmonic minor. So we have 5, 4, 3, and there's the F sharp. 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 4. Careful to always alternate between 3 and 4 as you're crossing over or thumb under. Press pause to work on the G harmonic minor 2-octave scale, then press play to go on. Let's look at the G minor arpeggio now. Remember, we're taking the 1 chord, do, me, so. Here's our 1 chord, and then we just repeat that same chord up an octave, and then we put do on top. Do, me, so, do, me, so, do. And then we come back down, the same notes. This arpeggio will use our basic fingering, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Work on a smooth legato sound, shifting, using your elbow and wrist to glide that thumb under and easily glide back over on the way down. Press pause to work on that G minor arpeggio, then press play to go on. And now let's work on the left hand. So, basic fingering, once again, we have 5, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5. Press pause to work on the left hand 2-octave G minor arpeggio, then press play to go on. To finish today, let me show you a little fun improvisation activity you can do in G minor. Our left hand is going to play an ostinato. An ostinato in music is a repeating pattern. And for this pattern, place your finger 1 on this ground G. Here's my middle C, so about an octave and a half down, and it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just stepping down half notes. 2, try it with me. Here we go. Finger 1 on G, a 1, 2, 3. We have to do an E flat here. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now your left hand, that's the ostinato. So it will just keep repeating. And then your right hand is going to improvise a melody in G, natural or harmonic minor. Whatever sounds right to you. So I was just making up a little melody. So, and you don't just stay in this pentascale, you can come all the way up the octave or even 2 octaves. Now that you know this scale, you can use arpeggios. So you can have lots of fun doing anything in the G minor scale or arpeggio while your left hand just plays around with that ostinato. Press pause and just take a minute and mess around with that ostinato and just see what kind of little melody you can make up in the right hand. Remember, when you improvise, there's no right or wrong. You're just experimenting with sound and having fun. Then press play to go on. Nice work learning how to play the G minor scale and arpeggio today. Remember to practice only on days that you eat. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Hi, Princess. That's a nice harp. Thanks. Did you know that arpeggio comes from an Italian word that means play the harp? No, I didn't know that. But I don't have a harp. Is it okay to play arpeggios on the piano even though it's not a harp? Sure, you can play arpeggios on any instrument. You can even sing arpeggios, but they sound especially great on the harp. Listen. Wow, you're right. That does sound good. Hey, let's play together. Okay, hit it.